Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So in this video today I'm going to talk about more about event logging. And suppose we have a requirement that we have some list of APIs in a microservice and we want to log if any update operation happens, or if any other microservice is calling, and what is happening means we want to we basically needs an event logging, and it is essential for some debugging purpose on and it can be helpful for other purpose, we can debug the code what is happening or how many times the API was hit. And we'll do this with, there are various other ways to do it. I'm not saying there is one way, and there are many ways to achieve this, but here in this video I am going to use the Spring aspect oriented programming, AOP, what we call it as AOP. So let's start, and let me show you the code and how I have done. Okay, so here I'm going to show the code. So code is almost I have done it, so I will show you what I have done. So we are using 3.4.2 and it is on Java 17. We are using Spring Starter JPA, Spring Starter Web, and that's it, and MySQL. And we are using MySQL to log that event. I will show you. And this is about build.gradle file. It's simple. And let me show you the DB. So this is the event table, and it is the service name, method name, action, and performed by, and the timestamp. So these are the things which I'm logging it. Well, based on the requirement, you can add some more columns if it is required, and some customer DB and department DB. So this is a small service which I have made it. Okay, and these are some customer controller, department controller, and these are the entity, customer entity, department entity, and this is the event log. Okay, and yes, that's it. And this is the repository file. The repository file are simple, it's empty, nothing is there. Okay, and how do we log the aspect? So this is and this is we will do it asynchronously, means whenever we call any method, means I want to log that event asynchronously. Okay, I don't want to block that operation, so that's why enable async, I have enabled it. And this is the aspect, and this is the interface I have means annotation I have created it, log event. And here it has one variable called action. Okay, and this is what I have done, and this is the logging aspect. And logging aspect is nothing but here I'm using around invoice, and here I'm using any annotation where log event is there. What I'm taking is, here I'm getting the method name. Okay, and the log event, that means action, I'm getting it, but the action is provided, service name, method name, actions, and performed by. So performed by means it depends on, means I'm using X user ID. So if you are using Spring Security, from the Spring Security or from the security context, we can get the username and we can log the username also. But here I'm not using the Spring Security, just for to show I'm using this one. Okay, and here I'm using event service dot log event, service name I sent. And here you can see I'm using computable future, means it will log the event asynchronously. Okay, so it will not block the operation. Okay, and this is the DB. Let me show you the DB. So this is the log event is a database. Okay, here you can see everything is varchar. Okay, and this is the customer DB. It doesn't matter, just it is to show you. Okay, and this is the department DB. Now again, coming back to the code, how we have done it. Okay, and let me show you the service class, like here. Okay, so here add customer, and here I have provided at the rate of log event, and the action is add customer log event. So wherever it is required, means like we can add it in this way, and this we can add at the class level also and at the method level also, but again it is preferred to add at the method level. Okay, and this is for department service, whatever the whichever method we want to log, we can add it. Okay, and this is the event service which I have already shown, and now let's start the server and see. I will show you how it works. Okay, and now server is started, and now let's hit the one of the API. I'm clearing this one, and let's hit one of the API and see the database. So this is like a customer endpoint, and this is a controller. Customer endpoint, post request, add customer. Okay, so three variables are there. I'm sending it. Yes, it is inserted to a database, and we can see here insert into customer and insert into event log. Okay, and now let's see the database. Okay, and event log. Yes, you can see the customer service, add customer method name, and this is action what we have done, and it is coming as testing because I have given as a testing, and you can see the customer DB data is there. Okay, this is just now we have entered. So uh, in this way, whatever the event what we want to log it, we can do it in this way, because this way it will help us to understand like what is happening around the API, and if any later some we have to fix a issue, or later we have to revisit, we can check this event log method. Obviously we cannot keep the data for a long time. We can clear the data after 6 months, means like that is up to our requirement, that is up to how much space we have, and based on the requirement. Okay, and we can add some more columns also, and we can even send it to some other DB like Postgres, or we can store it in a Redis, or if we have some other tools also, and that way we can send it to any other tool, this event data. Okay, and we can even store the body also, means like whatever the data we have stored. And this is in case of an add. We can add some more. We can see here some more data here, some more things if we need it. That is actually based on the requirement. This is just to show you how we can do a event logging. This is just an example, but based on the requirement you can do anything what you want. Okay, so with this I think I will upload the code in my GitHub, and I will show the link, give the link in my video description. So with this I'm ending my video, and if you like the video and if you like the concept and all, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.